Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant, magnetic pull toward nature, only to realize the space was entirely contained within four walls? We often think of our homes as static collections of furniture, but true inside design is about choreography, the way light, texture, and living elements perform together to tell the story of who we are. Today, we are breaking the boundaries of traditional interiors to show you how to invite the wild, untamed serenity of the outdoors into your living space. The secret lies in the juxtaposition of raw, aged history and vibrant, thriving life. We're embarking on a project that redefines farmhouse style, stripping away the clutter to focus on the soul of the materials. By centering our vision around the idea, DIY Floating Hydroponic Moss Wall, Farmhouse Decor with Reclaimed Cedar, we aren't just adding a decoration. We are installing a living lung for your home, transforming reclaimed wood into a canvas that evolves with every passing season. Welcome to Hambling Studio, where we peel back the layers of conventional architecture to reveal the heartbeat of intentional living. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone looking to curate a sanctuary that feels both grounded and modern, this journey is for you. Prepare to be inspired as we master the art of blending rustic warmth with sustainable innovation to create a home that doesn't just look beautiful, but breathes with you. Setting the stage for connection. The living room is the heartbeat of the home, the place where stories are told and memories are etched into the walls. To achieve the perfect farmhouse aesthetic, we focus on the interplay of texture and light. We begin by anchoring the room with neutral tones, allowing the warmth of natural materials to shine. Imagine a centerpiece that defies expectation, our signature DIY Floating Hydroponic Moss Wall, Farmhouse Decor with Reclaimed Cedar. It serves as a living, breathing painting, softening the sharp lines of modern furniture and adding a vibrant, organic element that elevates your inside design to a professional level. where rustic meets refined. In the heart of the home, function must dance with beauty. To design a farmhouse kitchen that feels both functional and welcoming, prioritize open shelving and reclaimed wood textures. For the dining area, we carry over the inside design philosophy of connecting with nature. By incorporating elements of our DIY floating hydroponic moss wall, farmhouse decor with reclaimed cedar, perhaps as a smaller feature near a herb garden, we bridge the gap between the culinary space and the living area, creating a seamless, cohesive aesthetic that invites long, leisurely meals. A sanctuary of serenity. Your bedroom is your private sanctuary, a place where the chaos of the world fades away. Here, the farmhouse style shifts towards soft, muted palettes and layered textiles. To keep the inside design grounded yet refreshing, consider the psychological impact of greenery. Introducing a scaled-down, tranquil version of the DIY floating hydroponic moss wall, farmhouse decor with reclaimed cedar can act as a natural humidifier and a soothing visual anchor, ensuring your space feels like a breath of fresh air every time you step inside. crafting an at-home spa. The bathroom is often overlooked, yet it holds the greatest potential for personal indulgence. To elevate this space, we contrast cool surfaces like subway tiles or marble with the raw, earthy beauty of cedar. By utilizing the principles of our DIY floating hydroponic moss wall, farmhouse decor with reclaimed cedar, you can introduce a biophilic element that thrives in humid environments. This brings a touch of nature indoors, turning your morning routine into a rejuvenating ritual that defines thoughtful inside design. Extending your narrative. The journey doesn't end at the front door. Your outdoor space is the final chapter of your home story. In the garden, the farmhouse aesthetic flourishes through wild, intentional landscaping and repurposed structures. Use the same reclaimed cedar from your inside design projects to create raised beds or privacy screens, echoing the textures you've brought into the home. Integrating a large-scale DIY floating hydroponic moss wall, farmhouse decor with reclaimed cedar on a sheltered patio wall blurs the line between indoors and outdoors, creating a harmonious transition that completes your home's transformation. We have explored how the raw, weathered history of reclaimed cedar can serve as the ultimate foundation for your farmhouse aesthetic, proving that modern inside design is most powerful when it bridges the gap between structure and nature. By mastering the DIY floating hydroponic moss wall, farmhouse decor with reclaimed cedar, you have learned how to turn a stagnant wall into a living masterpiece, elevating your decor from mere decoration to an essential component of a healthy, vibrant home. If this transformation has sparked a new vision for your own space, please like this video to support our mission of creative discovery. Subscribe to the Hambelung Studio channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive into intentional design, and share this journey with a friend who is ready to rethink their surroundings. We're building a community of creators who believe that a home is more than a place to live, it's a place to grow. Thank you for being part of the process, and we'll see you in the next build.